The second part of our lecture on special glasses. Another type of special glass is the colored glass. Colored glasses are used for decoration, technical, and scientific purposes. Colored glass can be prepared in pot furnace from batch material containing inorganic coloring agents, which are usually metallic oxides. Colored glass is of three types. First, color is produced by the absorption of light frequencies by coloring agents in solution. Coloring agents used for this purpose are the oxides of transition elements such as those of titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, and copper. Such type of glasses are those in which the color is either due to chemical structural environment or due to differences in state of oxidation. For example, nickel oxide is soluble in sodium lead glass, yielding a brown color, but in potash glass it dissolves to give a heliotrope. This nickel oxide is an example of the agent which produces color due to chemical structural environment. Chromium oxides produce color due to differences in state of oxidation. For example, they produce colors ranging from green to orange, depending upon the properties of basic oxide chromium oxide, to the acidic oxide and the composition of the glass, whether it is acidic or basic. A second reason due to which the color is present in the glass is due to colloidal particles, which are precipitated within the colorless glass as a result of heat treatment. For example, precipitation of colloidal gold occurs producing gold ruby glass. The third reason for the presence of color in glass is due to microscopic or large particles which may be colored themselves. For example, selenium oxides, selenium reds used in traffic lights, lantern, globes, etc. Another type of special glass is the safety glass. There are two main classes of safety glass. First is the laminated and tempered safety glass, also known as the strengthened glass. The laminated glass may be prepared by placing a non-brittle plastic sheet between two thin plate glass sheets. The three sheets are pressed together under moderate heat to seal the edges. They are then heated under pressure in an autoclave to bring the plastic sheets in absolute contact with the glass sheet. Ultimately, the three sheets are made into one single sheet. The edges are sealed with a water resistant material. The plastics used for this purpose are proxylene or cellulose acetate, also polyvinyl acetate and polyvinyl butyracetal. The tempered glass is very strong and tough and possesses high internal stresses. The already formed glass vessel or sheet to be strengthened by tempering or annealing is heated to a temperature of 800 degree Fahrenheit, just below its softening point, and then it is quenched in air or molten salt or oil. Quenching produces a hard surface which resists bending and shattering forces. The interior pulls on the outside surface, putting it into compression, and therefore the interior develops a compensating tension and produces a very good strength in the glass. Such type of glass is used for doors and windows of automobiles and for pipes. Third type of safety glass is produced as sheet glass by incorporating a steel wire net in the molten glass prior to the formation of the sheet glass. Another type of special glass is the fiberglass. Fiberglass is used in textiles and it is reinforced and can be spun into yarn, formed into mat, made into insulation, and a great variety of other products may be made with it. Fiberglass is molten glass processed mechanically to a flexible thread of filament. A hot platinum nozzle filled with molten glass forces out the fluid in the form of a thin continuous thread, which is caught by a rapidly moving disc and gets converted into fiber through elongation and twist given by the disc. Glass fiber is also known as staple fiber and has an average length of 19 to 12 inches and a diameter of 0.0028 inches. Fiberglass is not brittle, but it possesses high tensile strength. Fabrics made of glass fiber are bad conductors of heat and electricity and are non-inflammable. Therefore, articles made of fiberglass are fireproof. Uh, the last special type of glass is the laminate glass. Now, for the manufacture of laminate glass, sheets of glass fabric are soaked in a solution of phenol formaldehyde and are placed one above the other. The laminated sheets are then allowed to cure under heat and pressure, as a result of which hard, light, and strong laminated sheets are obtained. Besides sheets, tubes and other shapes are also available commercially. Uh, Laminate glass is used as a material of construction for making light weapons and insulating materials because it is highly non-inflammable and insulating. The most important properties of laminated glass are: it is shatterproof, it is shockproof and can withstand sudden changes of temperature and pressure without undergoing cracking. Bullet resistant laminated glass is obtained by pressing together several layers of glass with vinyl resins in alternate layers. The thickness of bullet resistant laminated glass generally varies from 12.7 millimeters to 76.5 millimeters, and these are prepared for specific purposes.